Hey, good morning everybody. This is Jean here. It is December 25th. Our family is off. I hope you're all having a lovely day. We had a very bad storm last night. Lots of rain, lots of wind. We had a couple of trees come down on our property yet again. We thought we were fairly safe. And yeah, it's really a worry. It's really a worry. We didn't get massive amount of flooding. If you've been watching, you know that this area floods. But it was flooding again once every 50 years. And in the last 3 months we've had terrible floods. That's the way it's going. And it's just worrying. Always try to be optimistic. I've taken some video of the bridge. Went down earlier. They have a large pump running. The men have been working. It's only been a few weeks. Boy, they've really done a lot of work on the bridge. But we found out, we went down to speak to one of the foremen, and we found out that telling him about the flooding situation, and he was ever so nice, but he said, oh, he didn't realize they weren't necessarily addressing the flooding. I think I've mentioned this before, please forgive me. They're just building the bridge, they were just replacing the bridge, and we're like, oh, the bridge is going to be a bit wider, but as you will see in the next video, I think it's going to be 8 foot wider, and we still had a tremendous amount of flooding here. This whole area last night was underwater again. And it's not one thing to worry about, it's another. But never mind. It was mild yesterday. It was like 63 degrees. Really nice, really quite lovely. We had taken the opportunity to clean out our wood stove because we've been using it from all the trees we've cut down on our property. We have lovely firewood, but now it's really gotten chilly. It's really gotten chilly. It's going down to about 22 tonight, something like that. But as you know, I like the cold weather. But anyway, I just wanted to check in and say hello everybody. I hope you're having a lovely day. Those of you who are celebrating your holidays, I hope it's going well. The end of 2020, hopefully 2021 will be a bit better. There are things that we can be grateful for and be thankful for. We have our lives, and hopefully we have each other. And if the sun is shining, I hope you get a little bit of it today. It's a little bit gray here, but it's not raining and it's not flooding, so I'm very grateful for that. So Ian and Maxwell are home. We're just going to enjoy, maybe put a movie on and enjoy a quiet day, take a walk later. So again, some work on our bridge. See how it's going. All right folks, thanks ever so much. Keep safe. Bye-bye. Last night we had a really bad storm. Blew down a couple of trees on our property, and we just thought we'd just take a walk up to the what was our bridge, what was our beautiful bridge. And this area right here last night, up to the base of our driveway, again was filled with water all over here, as you can see. Ah, boy, it's very discouraging. My lovely home, and yet this flooding issue, which is happening every 2 weeks, used to happen every 100 years. They say the bridge is going to eliminate or help the flow of water, but that remains to be seen. As you can see, if you've been following the previous videos, our beautiful, lovely little 110-year-old bridge. The wall's been taken down. Obviously, it's a building site. We are concerned with the flow of water. We had a lot of rain last night. Oh boy. And there's a lot of silt to build up under the bridge. This pump. So that pump there, that great orange pump,
called a silenced dry prime pump,
is attached to all of these pipes here.
12-inch diameter, maybe bigger, steel pipes,
which are going under the road.
There's a culvert
Under the road.
An 18-inch diameter culvert under the road, and it goes through to the other side of the bridge, and the diverted water, or the accumulated water, is being pumped back into the river the other side of the bridge span. So that was assisting in getting rid of the water last evening.
But the water still came up high, this whole area.
The water was still up high behind you on our side of this road.
Over here. Yeah.
But of course we couldn't see it in the dark, otherwise we would have filmed.
But they have these sandbags, that didn't do any good. This entire area was flooded. Oh boy. They have these...
Very silent. There's a deep rumble. That's what you heard when it...
Yeah. Wow, look at our little bridge. And a tree that came down.
What?
The tree came down on the bridge. Look at that. We had a tree come down. And look at that. Oh boy. That one over, I don't know, that one? Yeah. So there was our beautiful, lovely little historic bridge. They've made this like a dam here.
They still think out bridge. Maybe they're gonna make a culvert on like that side. So there's 2 points of like.
Yeah, as you can see, this is a major project.
So all they made is the river look pretty.
Oh, the little dam. You think it looks pretty? It does, actually. Huh? But our lovely bridge, when are they going to knock that down? Here's our road. I don't know where that tree...
Machinery. The key might be in there. I ain't going to drive.
Oh, let's go drive that machinery. I wonder if you could.
Probably I could.
Yeah. Oh boy. We still had some significant flooding last night. They are trying to divert the water obviously into this sort of culvert, but as my husband says, they need a larger culvert here. Oh my word. We're trying to, for whatever reason, we're trying to document our own sort of story of the bridge. I'm sure the county is doing that also. But as you can see across the way here, the water, let me see if I can, on a neighbor's property, has come in. You can see very pools and pools and pools of water. Seems like it's getting worse, not better. Oh boy.
for a video, Max. Why can't you cheer up, man?
So is Max so miserable?
Oh.
He doesn't want to be on film, yeah. That's all right. Look. He's miserable, Maxwell.
Now, how would you get in this?
I don't know. How do you get? Probably on the other side.
How would you get in?
These things have been working overtime. Oh, careful, my man. Yeah, I guess you just pull yourself up there. Wow, this is a big old honking machine. No, Maxwell, don't. Maxwell, don't.
It feels like I could open it. So say if I open that and the key's actually just sitting in there, just casually.
So,
but there's no way a regular person can just take this
no.
thing because it's gigantic. They would see. It's like, is that a machine? And you just take it away.
We've got a really good video then. 360 degrees.
How many of our grandchildren can fit in that bucket?
I would say 6 grandchildren could fit in that bucket.
So 6 grandchildren, and how many like?
Oh no, I would say 8 of our little grandchildren could fit in there, of our 16. So here's the flowing water. Oh boy. Oh, pardon you. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
That is not a big enough culvert.
So I wonder where that branch came down from.
Wave at the camera.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Hey. All right, folks. Well, here's our ongoing issue here. Oh boy.
I'm tempted to just walk down.
And, no, darling, don't. It's a little bit. It's a little bit. Yeah, it is something, isn't it, Daddy?
Get my welly boots and just climb up the bridge.
Well, we'll keep you informed, folks.